Have you ever bought something and later thought, why on earth did I even need this? Well, that's not coincidence. That's psychology. In this video, I'm gonna use 3 dark psychological tricks that marketers use to sell anything. And trust me, once you know them, you will never look at sales the same way again. And stay with me till the end, because the third one, it's so sneaky that it should honestly be illegal. Number 1, the scarcity effect. You have seen it before. A big red banner on an online store says only 3 left in stock. And suddenly you are in a panic. You are adding it to your cart, checking out faster than ever, because if you don't, someone else will. Why does this happen? It's all because of a psychological phenomenon called the scarcity effect. As humans, we value things more when they are limited. The less there of something, the more desirable it's become. But here's the twist. This isn't just about product. This applies to everything, like opportunities, relationship, even time. When something feels like it's slipping away, we act irrationally to hold on to it. It's wired into us. Think about this. Have you ever clicked on a flight ticket just because it said only one seat left at this price? Or rushed to grab a concert ticket after seeing the words selling out fast? That's scarcity working its magic. And why scarcity works so well? Scarcity taps into 2 powerful human instincts: fear of missing out, in short FOMO, and the urgency to act. When something feels rare, it activates a psychological trigger in your brain, making you believe if I don't act now, I will regret it later. Now, here's the important part. As a seller, using scarcity is an incredibly powerful tool, but it must be done ethically. Number 1, limited time offer. Set a real deadline for your product or your service. For example, this offer ends in 48 hours. People are more likely to act when they know the clock is ticking. Number 2, exclusive access. Create a sense of exclusivity. Say something like only the first 100 people will get this bonus. It not only makes your product feel special, but it also rewards fast action. Number 3, low stock alerts. Use phrases like only 2 spots left. But here's the thing. Don't lie about it. If there are unlimited spots, don't pretend otherwise. It will backfire and ruin trust. Number 2, the power of authority. Imagine this. You're scrolling through YouTube and you stumble upon a video titled "A Doctor Explains a Secret to Weight Loss." Even you're not actively trying to lose weight, you are tempted to click. Why? Because it's coming from a doctor, an authority figure who you believe knows their stuff. This is the power of authority in action. We are naturally wired to trust and follow people who seem credible, experienced, and knowledgeable in a specific area. It's why we listen to experts, respect uniform, and trust verify accounts on social media. You see these strategies everywhere. From billboard to Instagram ads, celebrities endorsement. Think about Michael Jordan selling a sneakers or Serena Williams promoting a tennis racket. They don't even have to say much. Their authority in their field speak volumes. Social proof. You have probably seen professional adding "as seen on Forbes" to their bios. That's authority by association. Credential and titles. A fitness coach with certified trainer in their bio instantly feels more trustworthy than someone who says, "I just really like working out." How can you use authority to sell anything? Now, here's the question. How can you establish authority even if you are not a celebrity or a doctor? Number 1, leverage your expertise. Show your qualifications, certifications, and years of experience in your field. If you have helped 50 plus clients and generated millions of views for other creators, like I did, then say it. Numbers build authority. Number 2, build social proof. Share testimonials from past clients, especially if they're recognizable in your niche. Their endorsement boosts your credibility. You can visit our page or other pages in your niche to take inspiration. Number 3, collaborate with trusted figures. Partner with influencers or experts in your niche. Their authority rubs off on you. Number 3, the scarcity principle. Alright, let's talk about something that taps into one of the oldest survival instincts we have, the fear of missing out. Or as we know it today, FOMO. Scarcity is one of the most powerful psychological drivers out there. When we think something is running out, we want it even more. You have seen this tactic everywhere. It works like magic. Time limit offers. Ever seen those countdown timers on the e-commerce website? They screams buy now or lose the deal forever. Exclusivity memberships. Platforms like Masterclass thrives on exclusivity, offering a limited number of spots for their courses. Seasonal products. Think about Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. It's just coffee, but because it's only available for a few months, it's treated like a liquid gold. How to use scarcity without being pushy. Here's the thing, scarcity works best when it's authentic. People can spot a fake limited offer from miles away. So use this principle with integrity. Number 1, create real scarcity. If you're offering a product, limit it genuinely. For example, you are only opening 20 spots for this month. Works if you truly have a cap on your time or resources. Number 2, set deadlines. Give your audience a specific time frame. Instead of saying the deal won't last long, say offer ends Friday at midnight. It feels more concrete and credible. Number 3, highlight the benefits of acting now. Explain why acting immediately it's better than waiting. For instance, price will increase next month. This bundle includes bonuses that won't be available later. And there you have it. 3 powerful psychological tricks that can help you sell anything. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also let me know in the comments which of these tricks are you most excited to try. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself and your family.